So Dustin Bowe's up first. He says, hey guys, where can I learn from you exactly how to use paid traffic to rank websites and GMPs? Is there a video or course or something? Yes, there is. And it's not just that, it's not using paid ads to rank something. It helps to augment SEO efforts. It provides brand signals, traffic, relevant traffic, targeted traffic, especially for local stuff, because you can have geographic targeting and everything else. So it sends the proper signals. That's what that's about. Now, if you have shit SEO and you try to just send traffic to something and think that that's going to rank it, it's very, very unlikely that you're going to see any results, and you're just going to piss a lot of money away. But if you have proper SEO, it's tight, your on page is good, you've got a compelling offer, and then you're buying relevant traffic signals. I mean, you're essentially buying engagement signals, but if you got your audience targeting right, your geographic targeting right, and you've got a compelling message or an offer that's decent, then some of that traffic could even convert. So it's not just about brand signals and kind of injecting that activity, relevance, trust, and authority that you can purchase directly from Google or from other sources as well. It's not just about sending that traffic to augment or supplement your SEO, right? Or to add to your SEO efforts, but it's also potentially lead source or a source for customers and a way to make sales and such. You can actually convert some of that traffic if your targeting is right. And my point is, why spend the time and effort or money even unless you have all of those pieces in place? Because if you have traffic coming from search and you've come to an offer or a page that doesn't convert well, then what good is it? So, what's the point in ranking it if you're just buying traffic and to an offer or something that doesn't convert very well? So my point is kind of have all of it together, and then buying relevant traffic signals can actually help with your SEO as well. Anybody want to comment on that?
And no, I think that's perfect. And actually, we were mentioning during Powerful Live that I've seen the same results with Google Google clicks, and I share with you that article about apps, using apps because the clicks are so cheap. The quality might not be as good when you're getting like search ads and all that, but still like the clicks are for SEO purposes is really good. And also I've been noticing the same thing with Facebook ads, because Facebook ads will come from real people. They will come from the people that you can geo-target your Facebook ads. So you can say, hey, I want people that has like this behavior and whatnot in these specific cities or zip codes or whatever. And I'm seeing the same thing. So yeah, so I really do recommend you test it out. But again, you need to tick all the boxes when it comes to on-site SEO, so that by the time you start getting traffic, you start seeing that impact multiplied.
Marco? I don't know if Marco's still with us. He kind of jumped off for a minute.
No, I'm still here, but I'm not hearing anything that I need to add anything to.
Okay, very good. But Dustin, just to answer your question, is there a course for that? Yes, and I posted it down here. I mentioned you. It's Google Ads for brand signals, traffic, and to complement SEO. That's this course here. It works really, really well. It's for using the Google Display Network and for YouTube, which again is a lot less expensive than search ads. But yeah, what Hernan just mentioned is, and that's something I'd like to try, and I have not. Hernan brought it to my attention, but that, I always go into the display network when I set up ads campaigns in there and immediately turn off all of, or add to my exclusion list all of the apps. So all the Apple apps, all the Android apps, and the, handful of Windows apps that are available, because the traffic has always been really, really shitty, but you can get it for really, really cheap. So if you were just trying to purchase just clicks, so traffic essentially, even though it may be very non-relevant, then you could probably go in and set up an a Google Display Network ads campaign targeting just mobile apps. And you could set geographic targeting so it will only show, so you at least get proper IP clicks, but it might not be from, really interested audience is my point. But you might want to try that. That would be rather inexpensive. Okay.